Hey guys, my name is Kavita and in this video we will see 10 full body workouts with dumbbells. So stay tuned.
First workout is pulse lunge. Take a lunge position, holding dumbbells in both hands, hanging at the sides. Now pulse up and down. Remember, don't go beyond 1 to 2 inches of the ground. Keep your core tight and your back straight. Now repeat same with opposite leg. Remember, the knee of the leg forward should not go beyond the toes. Look forward. This workout strengthens your quads, glutes, ankle, lower back and abdominal muscles. Next workout is Russian twist. Hold dumbbells with both hands. Now raise your feet and twist on both sides. This workout helps to strengthen your abs, your hip and shoulder muscles. Next workout is dumbbell back kick or dumbbell kickback. Slightly bend on your knees. Back should be straight. Core should be tight. Now hold dumbbells in your both hands at 90-degree angle. Now kick back. No hurry. This should be in a controlled manner. This workout mainly targets our tricep muscles. Next workout is biceps curls. Stand straight, hold dumbbells in your both hands, palms should be facing forward. Now curl your arms up to the level of shoulders, contracting your biceps. Feel that mind-body connection. Feel that contraction in your biceps. Do this in a controlled manner. This workout helps in strengthening our bicep brachii muscles, deltoid muscles and the muscles in our lower arm. It also helps in toning of our arms and cut down the extra fat in our arms.
Next workout is toe touch crunch. Lie down, raise your legs up, keep your core tight, hold dumbbells with your both hands. Now raise your shoulders and head off the ground. Try to touch your toes.
This workout targets abs and oblique muscles. It also burns belly fat.
Next workout is renegade row. Maintain that high plank position. Hold dumbbells right under your shoulders. Feet apart as width of your shoulders. Now tight your core, quad and glute muscles. Pull back dumbbell back up to the level of armpit. Now bring back. Repeat same from other side.
This workout mainly targets largest back muscle, which is also known as swimmer muscles or latissimus dorsi muscles. It also strengthens core and quad muscles. Next workout is double crunch. Lie down, keep your hands behind your head. Your knees should be bent. Hold dumbbell between your feet. Keep your core tight. Now raise your shoulder and your head off the ground. At the same time, bring your knees toward your chest. This workout strengthens your upper abs, lower abs, and your oblique muscles. Next workout is dumbbell deadlift. Stand straight, hold dumbbells in your both hands, knees slightly bent. Now bend down at your waist, bring dumbbells up to your feet. Remember, your back should be straight and core should be tight. This workout strengthens your core, lower back, glute and quad muscles. Next workout is squat. Stand straight, feet slightly apart. Hold dumbbells with your hand in front of your chest. Now bend your knees down. The angle at your knees should be 90-degree angle. Back should be straight and core should be tight. This workout strengthens our core muscles and our lower body muscles. Study shows that 1 minute squat burns 5 to 6 times more calories than 1 minute running in treadmill. Next workout is glute bridge. Lie down, bend your knees, keep your core tight, hold dumbbells with both hands, keep it at your lower abdomen. Now raise your hip off the ground. Your knee, hips and shoulders should make a single line. This workout strengthens our glutes and abs.
Got me going all crazy.